question is from GATE 2021 Mechanical Engineering paper, Set 1, question number 28. A set of jobs A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H arrive at time t is equal to 0 for processing on turning and grinding machines. Each job needs to be processed in sequence, first on the turning machine and second on the grinding machine. And the grinding must occur immediately after turning. The processing times of the jobs are given by. If the make span is to be minimized, then the optimal sequence in which these jobs must be processed on the turning and grinding machines is. Let's find out. We will solve this using the Johnson's rule. So step 1 would be to mark the jobs with minimum time. So the minimum time allotted for a job is 1 minute. It's for job B and for grinding, not for turning. Now because grinding happens next or last in the sequence, we will have to keep job B the last because job B has the minimum time for grinding. Next, which is minimum, is 2 minutes. It is job A for turning and job G for grinding. So same rule will be applied. Turning comes first in the sequence. So job A has to be performed first, while G has the minimum time for grinding after B. So it will be performed second last. Next in line is 3 minutes. That is for C and grinding. So C will come here in the third last position. Then we have 4 minutes for turning for B. But B is already last job to be performed. And therefore we go to the next one, which is H, which is for grinding 4 minutes. So H is going to be fourth last. In the same manner, the next one is 5 minutes. For job G for turning, again G is already allotted, so we go to the next one. It's 5 minutes for grinding for F. F is going to be here. Then we have 6 minutes. I'll just use a different color. So 6 minutes. F turning, it's already allotted. We go to the next one. 6 minutes grinding A, already allotted. So we go to the next, which is 7 minutes. 7 minutes for turning is for E, and therefore job E will be here. While for grinding 7 minutes is for job D. So D is going to come this way. Reverse order is decided depending on the last activity, which is grinding here, and forward order is decided by the first activity performed, which is turning here. And for each of them we have to take the minimum and then go up as we go on allotting the jobs for suitable positions. So we have already allotted all of them. All of them are done because C, D, H having 8, 9 and 10 minutes for turning are already being positioned. So this is our correct sequence. A, E, D, F, H, C, G, B. Let me just revise. Step 1 is you have to start marking with the minimum time required. If the minimum time required is for the second or the last activity in the sequence given, then you have to place it last. And if it's for the first activity in the sequence given, you have to place it first and just go on arranging the jobs depending upon the time taken and the activity, whether it is first or last. Let's go back and mark this sequence, the correct option with this sequence. So A, E, D, F, H, C, G, B is given in option D. Option D is the correct one. To learn more about single machine sequencing, you can refer to the NPTEL video, Module 7, Lecture 25, Single Machine Sequencing, 2-Machine Flow Shop, Johnson's Algorithm. This is from the course Operations and Supply Chain Management. The course is taught by Professor G. Srinivasan. He is from Department of Management Studies of IIT Madras. I hope this solution helps you clear your doubt. Thank you.